Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Meena Shorey. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friends. Friends, 1956 when she went to Lahore, Pakistan with her husband, where they were invited by Pakistani producer J.C. Anand to make a film there following her march properly with the public in both India and Pakistan. The film Shorey made was Miss 56, a copy of Guru Dat, and the starred Mr. and Mrs. 55 instead of returning to India. When her husband did, she decided to stay back in Pakistan, continuing her acting career there. Some of her best films in India included the Punjabi film Chaman, actress Ek Thi Ladki, Dholak and Ek Do Teen. Meena was born Khurshid Jehan on 17 November 1921 in Ravindra, Punjab, British India. The second of four children, her family was poor and her father struggled to support his family. His first business venture in Ferozpur failed when Khurshid was very young. Moving to Lahore, he then worked as a dyeing business which also failed. However, by the time he had managed to arrange a good marriage for his eldest daughter Wazir Begum, and she left for Bombay after her marriage. A few years later, Wazir Begum called Khurshid to stay there for her some time in Bombay. Her idea being to arrange a suitable marriage for Khurshid also from among her husband's relatives. However, fate took an unexpected turn when Sohrab Modi noticed Meena at the launch of film Sikandar 1941, which she attended with her brother-in-law and offered her a supporting role in the film, giving her the name Meena. Sikandar in 1941 was the first film of Meena acted in, which had her in small role of King of Taxila's sister. This was a historical film about the invasion of India in the Jhelum region by Alexander Sikandar. It was directed by Sohrab Modi and starred Prajit Kapoor as Sikandar. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.